my heart is pumping. I am so alert. And that kind of stress is not a great way to start your day. So this is what a yellow morning routine looks like. A good morning routine starts the night before. I assess what has worked well today, what hasn't worked well today, and what can I do differently tomorrow. I look at the tasks, the priority, and then I schedule them. This allows me to go to bed without my mind racing, and I can get a good night's rest. I wake up at the same time every single day. I know exactly how many hours my body needs to recuperate, to re-energize, so I can start my day full of beans. I never negotiate with the alarm. Up is up. Because if you snooze, you lose. I forgot to make my bed. One, because you're less likely to return to bed. Two, it's the first major task to be completed. You'll feel great from this moment, and the rest of the day will be full of other victories. And three, it will look pleasant, even if you don't have a little kitty. When I wake up in the morning, I feel a little bit lethargic. Well, that's because I'm dehydrated. So the first thing I head for is a glass of water, hot or cold, and a squeeze of lemon. I never head for coffee. If I've had a good night's rest, I wouldn't need it. If I'm desperate for coffee in the morning, then I've had a bad routine. I don't know about you, but when I drink coffee, my heart is pumping. I am so alert. And that kind of stress is not a great way to start your day. Well, for me, anyway. I'll stick to my lemon water. So now I feel more human-like. Time to take it up a level. Supplements. First of all, vitamin D. Multi-Vitality Pro, my favourite. CBD oil, all the key minerals, land and sea, Active B Complete, and Alpha Brain, memory and focus. To get that pumped up, I'm ready for the day ahead, energized kind of morning, I head to the garden. I connect with the earth's energy, I stretch my body, nothing strenuous, and I calm my mind. But if it is a miserable day out there, then I stay inside and I put the kettle on, have a hot lemon water, and I just stretch my body against the sides. Simple, 2 minutes, and I feel amazing. And now for the self-care routine. There's nothing worse than feeling really grimy. Teeth, hair, makeup, clothes.
Voila.
And before I start my day, I read something from my vision statement, or I spend some time and connect with something from my vision board. And now I'm ready for a successful day.